Are you having trouble downloading Vscode's extension? Then you have come to the right place.
अगर आपको Vscode के एक्सटेंशन को डाउनलोड करने में परेशानी हो रही है, तो आप सही जगह पर आए हैं।
Like this type of error.
ये भगवान क्या जुल्म है। Sorry.
Go to any browser and type open vsx.org.com. Click first link. Find the extension you want to download. Click to download the extension. Click three dot here. Click install from Vsx. Select the download file and install. So installing completed successfully. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.